Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Whether you're a seasoned traveller or someone dreaming of your next adventure, we're thrilled to share something that's going to transform the way you discover and experience attractions around the globe. Our latest free app is designed with one goal in mind: making it easier than ever for you to explore amazing attractions worldwide. Let's dive into some questions we've been receiving about this exciting new tool. Our first question is, what exactly does the Attractions Explorer app do? Great question. Think of this app as your personal travel concierge that fits right in your pocket. The Attractions Explorer app connects you with thousands of incredible attractions spanning every corner of the planet. From historic landmarks in Rome to hidden gems in Southeast Asia, from world-renowned museums to local cultural experiences, this app brings them all to your fingertips. You simply open the app, browse by location or interest, and instantly access detailed information, visitor reviews, and booking options. It's completely free to download and use using the link below. Our second question is, how does this app differ from other travel apps on the market? Excellent point. What sets us apart is our commitment to comprehensive coverage and user experience. While other apps might focus on accommodations or flights, we specialize exclusively in attractions, which means we go deeper. Every listing includes insider tips, optimal visiting times, accessibility information, and real-time updates on wait times or closures. We've partnered directly with attraction operators worldwide to ensure accuracy. Plus, our interface is incredibly intuitive, designed for both tech-savvy millennials and travelers who prefer simplicity. We've eliminated the clutter and focused on what matters most, helping you find and enjoy remarkable experiences. Our third question is, can I use this app to plan an entire trip? Absolutely, that's one of the features our users love most. The app includes a robust trip planning tool that lets you create custom itineraries. Let's say you're planning a week in Paris. You can browse attractions, save your favorites to a personalized list, and organize them by day or neighborhood. The app automatically maps everything out and suggests logical routes to minimize travel time between locations. You can even share these itineraries with travel companions so everyone stays on the same page. And because everything syncs to the cloud, you can start planning on your laptop and pick up exactly where you left off on your phone. Our fourth question is the app useful for local residents, or is it just for tourists? This is something we're particularly proud of. While tourists certainly benefit from discovering major attractions, locals find tremendous value too. Many of our users tell us they've lived somewhere for years and had no idea certain attractions existed until they browsed our app. We highlight seasonal events, temporary exhibitions, and newly opened venues that even long-time residents might miss. It's also perfect for anyone hosting visitors who wants to play tour guide. You'll impress your guests with carefully curated suggestions that showcase the best your area has to offer, complete with all the practical details you need. Our fifth question is, how do I get started with the app? Getting started couldn't be simpler. Just visit Attractions Explorer on any device. You can access it directly through your web browser, or you'll find options to download native apps for both iOS and Android. The registration process takes less than a minute, or you can start exploring immediately as a guest. Once you're in, the interface guides you naturally through the features. We recommend beginning by entering a destination you're interested in, or allowing location services to show you attractions nearby. From there, let your curiosity lead the way. Browse categories, read reviews from fellow travelers, and start building your dream itinerary. To sum up, the Attractions Explorer app represents a new era in travel discovery. We've created a free, comprehensive platform that puts the world's most amazing attractions at your fingertips. Whether you're planning an international adventure or simply looking for something exciting to do this weekend, with intuitive planning tools, detailed information, and a constantly growing database of global attractions, we're confident this will become your go-to resource for memorable experiences. Head to Attractions Explorer today and start exploring. The world is waiting, and we're here to help you discover it. Thank you for your time and happy travels.